After the product is cleared production and quality control, it is off to the staging area. Each stone is individually marked for installation assistance, giving our customers the opportunity to eliminate costly installation mistakes. Specialty equipment wraps and labels each pallet, providing data tracking and exact order quantities for delivery. A.a.s can ship orders throughout the United States on A.a.s trucks or through a common carrier. International orders are palletized and shipped with container movement. Advanced cast stone. Not just cast stone, it's advanced cast stone.